I am the founder and CEO of MarketStraddle, and today I will show you how you can manage MarketStraddle and make it work for you. First, here, you can either sign up with Facebook, LinkedIn, or with your email. I have personally signed up with my email. You select the username, put in your email, password, confirm password. You read the private policy terms of use, and then you click agree and you sign up. It's that easy. In a couple of minutes you will receive an email and where you can click to confirm that it is in fact you who signed up. And now once you receive that email, you click on it and then you can go back into the landing page. You put your username, mine is Faust, or you can also put your email address, and you sign up with your password. Now this is the main profile page of the individual trader. Here, as you can see, you can select to you can select your trading strategy. You can also select what kind of market you invest in, and you can put your city so that you can find investors that are near you. And if you would like to choose to change your username, you can also do that. Now the way you do that is you go into settings, and this is where you set up all this information. And it's if you would like to change your strategy as you go along, then you can just click a few. You can click on just a couple. You can click on all of them. And once you're done, I'm personally more of a buy and hold person, and sometimes I do some trading strategies, and I mainly focus on the domestic market. I also do foreign. I actually do all of these. And you can also choose to upload a picture. For now, the what you have is an avatar that is right here. It's actually a pretty cool kind of dorky computer. But now, after that, you can add a description. I've been trading for the past 8 years. I started as a sophomore in college. And you can also update this information if you choose to do so. You save changes. And then after that, you're ready to start following others, following, and see, I'm following this individual, and let's see who's following her. It's me. Then who's following me? Interesting. And then there's this person from Indore, India, and but this pace looks good. Oh, thank you. Awesome. This person, then you can see what this person activity is. Actually, let me follow her or him, and you can see what kind of trading this person has been doing. So let's see. Added Valiant Pharmaceuticals. I actually have the same one. It has gone down quite a lot. Added Groupon. I also added that one. Bought shares in Mattel. Started following. Added American Airlines. I actually didn't think of that one. And maybe that the price of oil has gone down. It's a pretty good idea. Hmm. Okay, so from here on, you can also do the same as this person has been doing. You have here the fact that you can see that I have Groupon on my watch list. The reason why I have Groupon is because it has been going down a lot. Valiant, it's pretty much the same story. And now, but if I want to get rid of these, I just click on remove from watch list. I remove the previous one, but if I do it to your portfolios, you add. And now if you want to check how much cash you have in hand, you go into the portfolio. And as you can see, I still have quite a lot. I have a lot of money to spend. Why don't we just buy? Why don't we just buy that stock? And I'll go ahead and purchase. Why don't I purchase 6 shares? Add position. I just bought 6 shares of Valiant Pharmaceuticals, and this is, by the way, it's all real time with a 20-minute delay. Now, if you would like to add your own, this is the stock price of Valiant as of January 29th, closing time. However, if you think that this stock is actually worth a lot more, it's worth a lot less, then you can actually input your own value here. Say I have made a DCF model, or I have done an analysis, a deep analysis of the company. Then let's say you come up with a price of 110. You add this price, and you have a median value here. Now, thank you for submitting your valuation for the stock. Stock median value is updated accordingly. Then other people will also add their own median price or their own value of this stock, and the median will be calculated accordingly. Therefore, say that the community of MarketStraddle thinks that this price, this stock is worth a lot more than what it's trading at, then people will put a higher price here. If people think that it's an overvalued stock, excuse me, if they think that the price is actually worth less than what it's trading at, then people would put a number less than 90. And people, then traders, investors in this community, can make investment decisions based on the wisdom of the crowds. And now, to have a look at what the individuals in your community have been doing, or in your circle have been doing, then you can just have a look here in the feed. You have now the fact that I have bought 6 shares. Now I'm following this person that I was just following recently, Hello World, and this person's also following me as of actually 3 days ago. And I can see what this person has been doing. And now, in order for me to see who is doing very well, it seems that I have been doing pretty well in the past. I think it's mainly because I have short positions. The market has been doing pretty badly in January. But the person who is also doing pretty well is Gimbler. So we can check what Gimbler has been doing, and you can see all the person's transactions. Gimbler bought 1 share of Tesla. Okay, so basically it's a Tesla investor. Probably owns a Tesla, loves Tesla. And let's see who V is. And what has V been doing? Wow, I bought a lot of Mattel. Okay, so focus is on Mattel. It hasn't been doing that bad with Mattel. And we can also see who is the most followed investor. So it seems that the most followed investor is jquarm84, ranks 27 on the site. I am following this person. However, this user doesn't necessarily is ranked the best. I mean, it means that investors are following her the most, but the top performers are going to be here. And it's just to see who has perhaps made the most activity. This person might have the most amount of comments, the most amount of buys and sells, and people want to see why this person is so active. And then and then so on and so forth. And the site also recommends a few investors based on your trading strategies in the markets that you invest in. And now if you are trying to look into a particular company, then you can type it up here. So say I want to look into Microsoft. Now you click on Microsoft, and then you have this general overview of Microsoft. We want to add it to the watch list. Now it's been added, and it's going to appear directly here. Now it's been added to Microsoft. And now that I have invested in Valiant, I can just remove it. And now this one, Microsoft, is just going to be there, and I will keep it for next time. Now, with this, I'm hoping that individuals will be utilizing MarketStraddle, learning from others, and seeing what kind of strategies people are investing with, which ones are working, which ones are doing better at what period of time. And it's my way of seeing things with investing is that it's investing is a social activity. It's a social science, really, and MarketStraddle sees it as such. It brings the social component to investing, and eventually, what I would like for MarketStraddle to serve as is for the top portfolios to be rewarded accordingly, where investors will hire them for employment positions, and will be a seeking mechanism. It's a talent seeking mechanism. And with that, I'm hoping that I have given a good enough overview of what MarketStraddle is all about and how it can help you as an investor. Thank you very much for your time, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.